See, a nigga survived the worst, but my life is glorious. Better know that I leap that be hurdle and I'm so victorious. Take a look, I'm a symbol of greatness, not call a nigga Morpheus. As for securing the win, but to believe I'm so notorious. You know that I've been about my bread, even though we rapping now. We used to live on the strip, even though a nigga higher level trapping now. I superseded every one of my little struggles and failure has never ever been an option. A nigga paper long like rush hour traffic and I'm about to take a hood shopping. Get it?
Together we made it.
See, we did it, niggas.
We made it even though we had our backs up against the wall.
Come on.
Forever we waited, and they told us we were never gonna get it, but we took it on the road, on the road, on the road.
In the projects to this banging instrumental.
On the road.
Ride with me, yeah. We come to get it.
Yo, when it all got started, we were steadily just getting rejected, and it seemed like nothing we could do would ever get us respected. At best we were stressed, at the worst they probably said we're pathetic. Had all the pieces to that puzzle, just no way to connect it. I was fighting through every rhyme, tightening up every line, never resting to question if I was out of my mind. It finally came time to do it or let it die, so we put the chips on the table and told them to let it ride, singing yeah.
Together we made it.
See, we did it,
We
niggas.
made it even though we had our backs up against the wall.
Come on.
Forever we waited, and they told us we were never gonna get it, but we took it on the road, on the road, on the road.
In the projects to this banging instrumental.
On the road,
Ride with me.
on the road,
We come to get it.
on the road.
Yeah. Look, in case you misunderstand exactly what I'm building, shit that I can leave for my children. Now on my wake up I smile to see how far I've come. Fighting for sales on the strip to a gate to hustle from. From nights in jail on a bench, using my muscle, son. To counting money like Dre and Jimmy and Russell once. But now I live when I dream. You see, we finally did it. Let's make a toast to the hustle regardless how you get it. Sing it.